Hi friends, welcome to Stitchery. It has been a very messy week and it's about to get messier. So I've been working on Halloween pages and cards lately and I am quickly running out of orange flowers. Tragedy of tragedies. So I thought I would just kind of experiment with coloring my own flowers today using the Dylusions acrylic paint and also some of the ink sprays. If you haven't used either of these, they're kind of fun and messy. I actually have another video I posted earlier this week about the paints, along with a giveaway for these. So be sure to check that out as well and enter that. What I'm gonna do is, these are some, I wanna say mixed media flowers from Tim Holtz, and then just some other standard white flowers. These are from 49 Market. I have a little paint jar, this is my paint jar, of water. And I am just going to use some acrylic paint. This is Pure Sunshine. And just mix some in with my water. Dyeing flowers or ribbon is also fun. If you want to see more about dyeing ribbon, I also have a tutorial about that. Man, you'd think I dye stuff all the time. I actually don't. But when I do it a lot. So I'm just going to put some paint in my water, however much you want. Now the nice thing about this kind of technique is if you have a lot of things you want to dye, you have a very easy way to do a ton at once. So this would be a great time to get those laces, ribbons, even other cardstock. If you want it all to match exactly, boom, easy, dump it in your water. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix till I feel right about it. Okay. If you haven't done this before, it's fun. If you have done this before, leave me a comment. Let me know. How'd it work out? How'd you feel? And then I just dunk my flowers right in it. And that's about it. Look at how easy is that? Cute, right? I like really soft shades because I like a lot of vintage style. If you want a darker color, use less water or more paint. However you want to do it. I'm gonna take some paper towel here. So at least on camera, I can appear to be clean and organized. And then boom, just dump some more stuff in there. Mix it in there. Take it out. Gorgeous. I kind of love that it has like a variegated, I don't even know if that's the right word, effect. See the different shades of orange in there? Gorgeous. Which if I were to just paint with acrylics and a paintbrush, I wouldn't have that range. It would be very just orange. That's why I kind of like diluting it with water. Diluting my Dylusions. See what I did there? Okay, so that's one technique. Another way that you can color flowers is with the actual ink sprays. This obviously is not an acrylic, but it is fast and fun. So you just take your flowers, spray. Totally different look. This is much bolder, and this is also Pure Sunshine. So this is the same color, but one is the acrylic, one is the spray. So you kind of get a different look. I also love these. This is also a great way to, oh man, these are messy. If you want to throw in some ribbon, now's a great time right onto your craft mat. In fact, I'm gonna do that. Okay, seam binding is my favorite to use with this technique, and I totally should have had gloves on, because it really absorbs the color quite well, and it also is very vintagey. So you can soak up from your craft mat directly onto your seam binding. Also, you can just dunk it directly into your paint. Let's just get right in there. So that way, even though this had a slight silver to it, it's going to pretty much color match with your flowers in your next project. Wow, this literally looks like Kraft mac and cheese before you add the milk. Hope my toddlers do not want to lick this. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over there to dry. Sunshine also dries this quite well. This is kind of like a spooky, oh man, it's like a spooky orange with that silver. So those are the techniques I just wanted to share with you today. I will be using these flowers in some of my upcoming projects. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you could see the next videos as they come out. And also, if you're not already on Facebook or Instagram, check out my Stitchery pages. I post throughout the week, pretty much every day, updated projects, memes, you know, basically just live online. So yes, keep in touch. Let me know what you think. And also, what is your favorite Halloween color? Because I have recently posted on said Facebook page about pink Halloween decor. Have you seen that? I'm not gonna lie, it's actually kind of cool, and I don't even like pink, but it's very shabby chic and cottagey. I don't know if I can commit to doing a pastel Halloween over like the traditional like spooky colors, but I don't know. I mean, based on the Pinterest photo, I kind of feel like I want to try it maybe one year. Maybe I just need a second house so that I could have a pastel Halloween at one, a traditional Halloween at the other. Just see how I feel. You know what I mean? So once my flowers were dry, I used them in this cute little Halloween hello there card. The bow I made using my bow maker fabulousness. I have a tutorial about how to make your own bows here. But look at, as you can see, these turned out pretty great. I decorated the inside of the card. There, cute little doilies everywhere, some jewels, but really the highlight I feel are my handmade, very messily painted flowers. So let me know what you think, friends. What do you think about orange? What color are you going to try first? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, and let's craft some more. Check it out, try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.